It's time now for our DIY security tip of the week. And think how nice it would be to see fewer ads when you're online or be less at risk from scams and hackers. Now, unfortunately, maintaining privacy on the internet has been increasingly difficult. It's just hard. And if you're sick and tired of all these companies and internet sites just snooping through your personal data, it's time to take action. And you start by clearing your personal information. It really is the best defense you have. Now, there is a downside. You may lose access to a few popular websites and services, but at least you can rest easy knowing that your information isn't being used for shady purposes. And if you're ready to totally go off the internet grid, we're going to start with Facebook. That's right, leave the biggest social media site of all. And to remove your personal information from Facebook and Facebook Messenger, and you no longer have access to either service. But once you delete your account, we give you the exact steps how to do that. You have 30 days to log back and restore it if you do change your mind. Now, you will be asked if you just want to deactivate your account, and that means just kind of putting your account on a hold status and all your information is still readily accessible. Now, don't forget about the other big social media platform. I'm talking about Instagram. Again, we're going to give you the exact steps to delete your Instagram account. Now, doing this will remove your data from Instagram as well as all the content that you've posted, any of your follower information. Twitter, Twitter, you can delete that too. We've got the steps. And like the others, Twitter waits 30 days before deleting your account. And during this time, your personal information is just hidden. It's still there. Anytime you happen to just log back in, well, guess what? You have just logged in and returned in full force. And now, what about your Amazon Prime account? A lot of people don't realize that you may have a public profile there. And we will teach you how to remove your public profile from your Amazon account. It's best if you want to have your privacy settings in tow. And you also have the option to hide reviews and wish lists. You also want to make sure that you click hide sensitive activity. And that's if you want to remove products from your history that you don't want anybody else to see. All right, 5 is the big dog. We're talking about Google. Yes, you can remove your history, your search history. You can remove anything else that Google knows about you, your phone number, but that's pretty tough because then you won't be able to have two-factor authentication. We give you all the details that you need, and you can also keep others from searching you. Number 6 on our list is so very important because you have these people searching sites, and so what you want to do is get yourself out of these sites like Intellius, My Life, People Finders, and White Pages. Number 7, have you done any DNA tests? What if you want to remove your personal data from the DNA sites? Don't worry, we'll tell you how to do that too. And our bonus is about how to remove your personal financial data by doing a credit freeze. And so if you're looking for all the steps that you need to do all of this, and check it all out. Maybe you only want to do a few of the steps. Maybe you just want to remove your data from the personal data brokerage sites. We've got the links, all that you need over at Komando.com. Just head over to Komando.com. And once you're there, hit that Show Picks button right on the homepage. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.